So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hello there, welcome to Colors In and Out. This is the second video in Mandir series of 3 videos. In this series, I will be showing how we DIY this Mandir. Check out the Mandir part 1 video where we build this cupboard for storage. The actual Mandir sanctum will sit on top of this cupboard. To know more about the design of this project and the tools needed in this project, please check out the video 1. Let's start making the mandir. Marking the hardwood for cutting. We will need 3 sheets of size 20 by 12 inches. After cutting the hardwood, let's start building the mandir. For this, we will need 3 hardwood sheets, 4 5 inches beams, 4 wooden pillars of height 14 inches. These carved wooden pillars look very authentic. These pillars will be used to build the mandap of the mandir. The pillars have screw at the bottom. This helps in assembly. We got this pillar from Home Depot. The mandir will look something like this. Making the marking for drilling. Drilling the wood. Attach the 4 pillars to the hardwood using screws. Making the markings for attaching the pillars. Leaving space of approximately half inch from sides for the pillars. Drilling for the pillars. Screwing in the pillars. The top hardwood sheet will sit like this. Making the markings for the screws. After attaching everything, it looks like this. The mandir will sit on top of the cupboard like this. Now starting to work on the mandir shikhar. We cut 4 plywood sheets in this asymmetric rectangular shape. Shikhar is the top tower like structure above the sanctum. Marking the wooden beam to cut it with some angle. Mandir shikhar is the most tough job in this project. It has to be most beautiful among all other parts. In my native language, the mandir top is called as karas. The angle here is the desired slope of the shikhar. After marking, we will cut the beam to create the slope. The plywood will rest on this slope of the block. With help of the wooden slanted blocks and plywood, we will create the shikhar like this. Let's attach the plywood to the blocks with screws. Once each plywood is connected to the block with a screw, it's time to screw in this into the top hardwood sheet and create the base of the shikhar. We will be using this decorative molding to create the shikhar. We are making a 5-story shikhar. Cut the molding such that it has slanted edges. Using Gorilla Glue to stick the molding to the plywood. Molding like this are easily available in stores like Home Depot and Michaels. They have various sizes and designs available in these moldings. Make the shikhar steps from bottom to top. Using molding, we build 4 stories. Now let's take a plywood of size 5 by 5 inches to cover the top, drill it in the center and attach the colors. We got these colors from Lowe's. Let's screw in the colors on the 4 corners of the temple top. Attach the plywood at the back of the mandir, working on the sides of temple cabinet. This is how the mandir shikhar, mandap, cabinet and cupboard looks like. Next part of the project is continued in the part 3 of mandir series. The link of the part 3 is available at the end of this video. If you like DIY videos, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. See you in the next video. Bye.